Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Chaos News Network. I'm your host, Newsman. Tonight's top story, we're going to be going live in a minute to the Chaos Kitchen, where Chaos Jenn will be preparing chicken and dumplings in the Instapot. Wait, what's that? I'm sorry, folks. We have some breaking news. It appears that Chaos Jenn is down with COVID-19. Such a shame, but filling in for her place will be Mr. Chaos. We'll go live to the kitchen right now, and here's your recipe. Thank you, Newsman. We'll get on with the recipe here. In tonight's Cook With Me, we're going to be doing slow cooker chicken and dumplings. Alright, for our first, we've got our 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into cubes. 2.5 cups. Let's see if I can actually. Where am I at here? Here we go. 2.5 cups of diced carrots. 2 cups of diced celery. We got our 1.5 cups of onion. 2 cans of our Campbell's cream of chicken. 2 cups of chicken broth. That'd be 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 little lonely bay leaf. 2 cloves of garlic. No vampires tonight. We've got our 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. And then we've got our 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Flip that around. 7.5 ounce can of the Great Value biscuits, which will make our dumplings. Alright, I will get this stuff going and I'll be right back. Alright, I went ahead and put the chicken in. Now we're going to add our veggies, the onions in there, and our celery and carrots, and in there. Then we are going to go ahead and add our 2 cans of soup mix. Spread that around a little bit. Then we're going to do the broth. And now we have to stir. Let's give this a good stir. I'm going to go ahead and add our salt and pepper, our oregano, our thyme, our lonely little bay leaf, and our garlic. And go ahead and give this a good stir. I guess it's going to be really good. We get a good stir on this. Make sure everything's nice and evenly dispersed. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and let this cook for 2.5 hours. And when it's done, we'll come back and then we'll add our cornstarch to get it thickened up, and then our biscuits will be on top. I will see you guys in a couple hours. Alright, people, as you can tell, we've been cooking for our 2.5 hours. I went ahead and put the biscuits on top like it says. This is supposed to cook for about another hour or so until the biscuits are done and cooked through. So far, so good. I will check back in when it's all done and ready to dish out. Alright, people, there it is. It is done. We got our chicken and dumplings in the slow cooker. Tell you what, this smells fantastic. You can see some of the dumplings poking up there along with some of the chicken. It smells fantastic. I did sneak a taste, I will be honest. It is really good. You can really taste the pepper. It's got a little bit of a peppery kind of taste to it. But other than that, I mean, it is really good. I really appreciate you guys tuning in to watch me do a cook with me. Again, send out prayers and stuff for Jenn. Positive thoughts and everything. She's doing well, feeling a lot better. Just thought we'd have a little fun with this. I know it's, you know, you gotta stay sane somehow, and I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to her channel. And as Chaos Jen always says, keep smiling. Thanks.